This is sunrise in Spain, and we've got loud fireworks because it was the King's Day yesterday. Can you hear them? It gets builds up. So I'm going to leave the phone. My aloe vera plant. It's considered an art in Spain, you know. It's cold. I've got thermals on, vest, thermals, jersey, and this SOS jacket. It's really good. If I took this off, I'd be cold. You make yourself warm. Doesn't matter. Doing some pull-ups over there. Warm the body up. But here we are in Spain with it's the 29th of December today. Got a slowly building crescendo of sound, of fireworks. I think that's it. I'm glad I got that. I remember it waking me up yesterday and I was in bed. That's cool. So it starts dun, 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 and it's well done. I like that. It makes the winter, brightens the winter up. It's cold though. Cold and grey. Oh, it's not normal.